I think all the boring stuff is done. Let's see what I came up with in the past 7 hours of designing this website. So this is the main page that I created. For now, just imagine there are a lot of products here. So you can see this was the title of the website before, and this was sort of a header that I created using CSS. I did not design this on Figma or anything. And now that I've designed it, I've made it pretty compact. So we have the print button, we have the reset button, and we have the input text area where we enter the level. So we have whole this part, we have this part, and we have this part on this side, and also the done button. And yeah, that's pretty much it, because the header doesn't need to occupy like 1/3 of the screen, right? And so I compressed it sort of. I made it compact, and it looks pretty, to say the least. I have these buttons that I created. We have shadows everywhere. If something is an input thing where you have to input something, I created this. Or if something contains something, I have this, right? So these are buttons and these are contained in this, right? Also print button, I wanted to make it a little different. I don't want it to pop out like reset or done button. And also this. So there are a lot of websites where you have the more button or the profile button or the hamburger that drops down, and then we have a lot of things. I figured out that I don't actually have anything else to put in this thing or like here. So I just created this, and what I have inside this I'll show you later. But let's come to these two sides. So as you can see, one is the side which loads everything with 0 count, and as you keep adding things, the right side gets populated. So we have this left side, and now I am thinking about adding the feature of sorting by level, sorting by max price and time and XP. So if something unlocks at the lowest level, you can click on this and it will sort out by the lowest level, right? Coming to the database first, let me show you what the database is actually. And this right side also has these. So if you have a lot of things and you want to figure out which one sells for the best price, right, with the maximum selling price of which product has the maximum selling price, so you can just click on this and it will sort in descending order. And time, so you can click on this and it will sort in ascending order of time in minutes. And XP, so you need more XP, so it will sort in descending order. The top items will have the most XP, right? So you can just look at these things as well, and they will help you. Same is on the right, so we can do this on the right as well. I think it's done for this side. Let me show you what this does. Since you don't have anything else to add, like profile picture or edit your profile name or anything, or username, I just have a couple of these things here. So this one is your subscription. So as you know that this is a subscription based thing, users need to be able to see what their subscription status is. Like, are they on the free one, or are they is it about to expire or something? So we can put this, they can click on this thing and it will load the subscription situation, right? And this is the profile. So this will show the email that the user is using right now, or they are signed in with, and the name, maybe the name, because we don't need anything about the user to operate on this, right? And we have the toggle for dark mode and light mode. So currently it's on light mode, obviously, and I'm not considering adding a dark mode right now. This is something that is equivalent to the made by thing that I did here. So if someone clicks here, I know it's not obvious, but if someone clicks on it out of curiosity, they'll understand that, okay, this is question mark and the user who made this or something like that. And then the settings, I don't know what to put in the settings right now. I might figure out something. So there's a setting. One more thing. This is the question mark symbol. It's essentially the help button. Let's say you signed in with the free tier or maybe the premium tier, right? The paid one. And you don't understand what's even happening, or why is it not loading or something like that. It will be very easy for someone to look at this and click on it. And this will maybe pop up a video or a text which describes or which explains what is happening and what they need to do and how they can use the tool, right? This is very important for someone who doesn't know how to use this. I think it's pretty obvious. And we have these minus buttons. So if you click a couple more times or like extra times, you can just remove it, or you can just reset it if you want to remove, like if you don't want to click 28 times on this button. Same as here. Let's say you are on your phone and you made you just collected something from the production. You can just remove those things, right? So this is for that. Now let me show you the database. I am using this Neo4j database for this. This is my email. I might hide this. but essentially this is the data. This is the whole database situation. So you can see a corn, chicken feed, and things like feed meal. So you can see essentially two colors in here. So these are the things where things are made in, and these are the things that are made. So this is the database. If I show you everything, if I remove the limit of the query, this is the actual database. This is everything that I am using in this app or this tool or website, whatever it is. You can see it's a very complex, very complex web of things. And I know graph databases get even bigger than this. Like this is only around 1,000 nodes. I have the free tier and I don't need that much storage. So you can see just one egg, not one egg, just egg is used in these many things, as you can see. So these lines represent that this thing is required by something, and an egg is produced in a chicken, inside a chicken. So you can collect eggs from chickens. We can also backtrack on any of these. So eggs are okay. So you can also see that 5 eggs are required by if you want to have fried rice, if you want to make fried rice. Okay, so I think this is enough for this video because I have already done everything. I'll start programming in the next one, and the next video will be a long one because I'll be coding these things one to one in that and making. Also, I haven't made the landing page yet, which is this. This was the landing page that I was working on before I started doing anything, and I think this looks pretty sick, and I might use this. And this is the sign up and sign in page right here. Ignore these two buttons. This is the sign up / sign in page, which when you click on one of these two, this is not one of these two. This one will be the free tier and this one will be the paid tier. And here I will write all the things that are important for both of these. And this is nothing but this one, this page. Here I will have 3 videos or images showcasing what this thing actually does. So once I have completed this, then I will be able to put these in here.